Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Grihalok. Today we'll be discussing about a very important topic, a topic most of the people are confused and don't know how to effectively use it. That is whether Dasha is more important or transit. I'll try and explain this with a very short example. So Dasha is the road that you take, the path you are about to walk on, and transit is the weather conditions you are about to meet. So if the weather is good, your journey would be happy, full of memories. If the weather conditions are bad, you possibly might face a few obstacles down the road, or it might even get delayed depending if the weather is bad. So Dasha is basically the road and the path you walk, and the circumstances that you will meet are decided by the transit. The fructification of event or the major events that take place, that is with the combination of Dasha and transit. So whenever the right Dasha meets the right transit, then the event fructifies in life. So both are equally important. It is just that a person should know how to see the right Dasha and the right transit.